This year went by so fast.
Right? I was just thinking that yesterday.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Good to have you here again.
How are you feeling today, Daniel?
I'm good. A little tired, maybe, but good. You?
Same. I think it's that end of year feeling.
Yeah, exactly. So today, we're talking about the year. Your year. Our year. Just looking back a little bit.
Right, not in a serious way, just casual, like what happened? What did we learn? That kind of thing.
Exactly. Because I think it's nice to pause sometimes and just think about it.
I agree. So let's just talk.
Sounds good.
Okay, so when you think about this year, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Hmm. Honestly, how busy it was.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I was always doing something. Work, projects, family stuff. It never stopped.
I get that. But was it good busy or bad busy?
That's a good question. I think both. Some parts were exciting, some parts were just exhausting.
Yeah, I know that feeling. For me, this year felt kind of up and down.
Up and down?
Yeah, like some months were amazing. I felt really good. And then other months were just hard.
That makes sense. I think everyone has that.
Right? It's normal.
So, what was one of the good months for you?
Oh, probably around spring. I remember feeling really energized. I started some new habits, spent more time outside.
That's nice. What about you? Any month that stands out? Maybe summer. I took a short trip with my family. Nothing big, just a few days away. But it was really relaxing.
Those little trips can be the best.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes you don't need a big vacation, just a change of scenery.
True. I mean, I didn't travel much this year, but I'm okay with that.
Why's that?
I don't know. I think I wanted to focus on home more, make my space nicer, spend time with people nearby.
That's a good way to look at it.
Yeah, not every year has to be about going places, you know?
Totally agree.
Okay, so here's a question. Did you set any goals at the beginning of the year?
Oh, man. Yeah, I did.
And
I didn't do most of them.
honestly, same.
Really?
Yeah, I made this whole list in January. I was so motivated. And then by March, I forgot half of it,
That's so relatable.
right? But I don't feel bad about it anymore.
Why not?
Because I realized some of those goals weren't even important to me. I just thought they should be.
Oh, wow. That's interesting.
Yeah, like I said I wanted to read 20 books, but honestly, I don't love reading that much. I just thought it sounded good.
That makes sense. I had something similar. I wanted to wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I saw some video about morning routines and I thought, that's what successful people do.
And?
I did it for maybe a week. Then I was just tired all the time.
Of course.
So I stopped. And honestly, I feel better now.
See, that's the thing. Goals are nice, but they have to fit your life.
Exactly.
So, did you accomplish anything this year? Even small things?
Yeah, actually, I started cooking more.
Oh, that's great.
It wasn't a big goal or anything, it just kind of happened. I got tired of ordering food all the time.
I love that. Those are the best changes, the ones that just happen naturally.
Right. What about you? Anything you're proud of?
Hmm. I think I got better at saying no.
Saying no?
Yeah, like when people asked me to do things I didn't want to do, I used to always say yes. But this year, I started being more honest.
That's actually really hard.
It is, but it made my life so much easier.
I bet.
I have more time now, and I don't feel stressed all the time.
That's a big win.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so let's talk about challenges. What was hard this year?
Oh, good question. For me, I think it was staying consistent.
Consistent with what?
Everything: exercise, eating well, keeping in touch with friends. I'd start strong and then just stop.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's frustrating because I know what I should do, but doing it every day, that's the hard part.
Totally. For me, the hardest thing was probably balance.
Balance?
Yeah, like balancing work and personal life. I felt like I was always working.
Did that stress you out?
Sometimes, yeah, I'd finish work and then just feel too tired to do anything else.
That's tough.
But I'm working on it. I'm trying to set better boundaries now.
Good for you.
Thanks. It's not perfect yet, but it's better than before.
That's all you can do, really. Just try to improve a little bit.
Exactly.
So, what about the people in your life? Did any relationships change this year?
Hmm. I think I got closer to some people and more distant from others.
Yeah, that happens.
There were a few friends I used to talk to all the time, and now we barely message.
Does that bother you?
A little. But I also understand it. People get busy, lives change.
True. I had something similar. I realized some friendships just weren't working anymore.
What do you mean?
Like, we didn't have much in common anymore. The conversations felt forced.
That's sad, but also kind of natural.
Yeah, and it's okay. I think it's part of growing.
I agree. And on the other side, I made some new connections this year.
Oh, that's nice. How?
Just through work mostly, and a couple of people I met at events.
That's cool. New people can bring fresh energy.
Definitely.
Okay, here's a different question. What surprised you this year?
Surprised me?
Yeah, something you didn't expect.
Oh, I guess how much I enjoyed being alone.
Really?
Yeah, I used to think I always needed to be around people, but this year I spent more time by myself, and I actually liked it.
I think a lot of people discovered that.
Yeah, it's peaceful, you know?
Totally. For me, the surprise was how fast things can change.
What do you mean?
Like, at the beginning of the year, I was in a completely different place. Different mindset, different priorities.
And now?
Now, everything feels different. In a good way, mostly. But it's just weird how much can shift in a few months.
Yeah, time is strange like that.
It really is. So, if you could describe this year in one word, what would it be?
One word.
Yeah,
That's hard. Maybe growth?
growth. I like that.
Yeah, not always easy, but I feel like I grew a lot. What about you?
Maybe transition?
Transition. That's a good one. Yeah, it felt like a year of moving from one thing to another. Not settled, but not lost either.
I get that.
It's kind of in between.
But that's okay. In between can be good.
True.
All right, so let's talk about the future a little bit. Not too much, just what are you thinking about for next year?
Honestly, I'm trying not to overthink it.
Good idea.
I think I just want to keep things simple. Focus on what actually matters.
Like what?
My health, my relationships, doing work I care about. That's it.
That sounds really grounded.
Thanks. What about you?
I think I want to be more present.
More present?
Yeah, I realized I spend a lot of time worrying about the future or thinking about the past. I want to just be here more.
That's a great goal.
I hope so. I think it'll make me happier.
I think it will too.
We'll see.
Are you going to set any specific goals?
Maybe a few small ones, nothing too intense.
Smart.
I learned my lesson from this year.
Same.
Okay, so before we finish, let's just recap a little bit.
Yeah, good idea.
So, we talked about looking back at the year, the good parts, the hard parts, the surprises.
Right, and we talked about goals and how some of them worked and some of them didn't.
And that's totally normal.
Exactly. We also talked about people, relationships, how things change.
And we talked a little bit about next year, keeping things simple, being more present.
Yeah, I think the main idea is just it's okay to reflect. It's okay to be honest about how the year went.
Right, not everything has to be perfect.
Not at all.
All right, I think that's a good place to stop.
Yeah, me too.
So, thanks for listening, everyone. We hope this conversation felt relaxing.
And maybe it got you thinking a little bit about your own year.
If you want, leave a comment and tell us one thing about your year. Good or bad, doesn't matter.
We'd love to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.